Hello guys, I trust you're all doing good. I would like to use this opportunity to welcome and thank you for having time for this channel. This happened to be my first video, and in this video I'll try to explain some of our motivations and the reasons for creating the channel and the things that we wish to discuss on this channel. So going forward, we'll start from why this channel. So these 2 points here set to be motivation factors that really inspired us to start this channel. That is to explain the tricks in computer science and to simplify software development. When you talk of computer science to everybody, to anybody who is new to that field of study, the main thing that comes to the mind is, oh, this course is difficult. That course, Charlie, it's not easy. It's a tough course. But we have taken it upon ourselves to reduce that pain, to take away that pain from you. That ideology is preventing a lot of people from, experiencing the beauty of that course. What this channel seeks to achieve is, at the end of the day, make sure that everybody everybody is having a hands-on, practical, uh, experience on computer science and its um, software development and any other things that comes together with it. If you want to, at the end of the day, make sure you see computer science as a normal course. Do you get it? A normal program, all right? So that the mindset of you saying, "Kali, the course is good, it's difficult," and other things, you just take it off. We'll we'll walk you through the tricks in there. Two main categories in computer science. That if you master on that area, the course become very, 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 very simple for you. Okay, so we walk you through that one, and we walk you through. We'll simplify software development for you. The software development is not as difficult as you see it to be. Okay, so these two set to be the reason why we've created this channel, and this very set happens to be the phase one. So the phase one will walk you through the beginning levels, then phase two takes you to the advanced level, then the subsequent levels to come. At the end of the day, if you follow this channel from the beginning to the end, you should be able to at least develop a website of your own or create an application of your own. That is the beauty of this channel, and that is our joy. That's why we've taken the pain to simplify these things to you. So getting started, we're walking you through industrial programming. We're introducing you to industrial programming. And we talk of industrial programming. What do we mean by industrial programming? If you go to various tertiary institutions and the other professional institutions, the major focus is on the academic side, academics. You learn the syntaxes of programming, computer science. You learn the academic side of it, which when you come out of school, the industry demands are different, very different, and way heavier than what you learn in school. So this channel, as I said earlier on, we've structured the whole course in a simplified way, identifying the tricks in it. Okay, so that we've tailored it based on the industrial demands. So we are going to convert the academics to industrial demands. Do you get it? So the industrial programming, all is about is we are preparing you for the industry. So the tutorials is going to be geared towards the industry. So you won't see most of the classroom works here. Everything is going to be hands-on, which is not far from the classroom work. So if you follow this and you add your academics to it, you realize you're having some upper hands in it. You get it. So that is the industrial program. We will introduce you to that one. Secondly, we will give you some prerequisite materials. That is some of the things that you will need to, join this channel. You put them, you share them on our website, and then the links will be, made available in the description box area. Then you get them set up. Then you start, so that you can join us during the other subsequent sessions. We also walk you through the software development life cycle, the SDLC, which plays a major role in computer science. If I can say the entire computer science or the entire programming, or yeah, let me put it that way, half of it. I have categorized it into two. This is the first one, and we have the reasoning and the logics to be the second one. The two component forms the head node of computer science. Its expatiated levels, creates the entire brand, the entire program known as computer science. That is according to our understanding and according to our analysis. We've taken our time to go through the whole course structure, and that is how it is. So we'll walk you through detailed explanation of detailed, um, tutorial on software development lifecycle. Then we introduce you to the programming aspect, the web programming. That is what you're going to do. We'll be doing web programming, covers website development and the web application. So after this one, you should be able to create your own website or any commerce site or any point of sale in a web form or any application that you desire to do. So we walk you through HTML, walk you through CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and you have the PHP, and you have the MySQL, the database side. So we'll walk you through all of them, practical walkthrough, not just a theoretical walkthrough, practical walkthrough. And the other ones is we will also introduce you to spirituality, programming, and logical reasoning. This is new concept. Spirituality, programming, and logical reasoning. We also walk you through these components. When it comes to creativity, when you talk of creativity, spirituality comes in. You can't talk of creativity without spirituality. The spirituality is not a spirituality that is some activations that you activate which aids in your creativity, you know, skill using the programming aspect, the programming abilities, and logical reasoning. So these sets work together. That's why we group them together. So when you get there, we walk you through how spirituality plays role in programming and logical reasoning. Good. Then after you have developed your project, your content, your website or application, we also walk you through how to upload these content on your online service. During the practical side, you'll be deploying your work on a local service, and that is the example, the local host or something. Um, when you are done with the project, you are supposed to upload it on a shared server or on a cloud server where everybody globally can access it. So we walk you through how to upload those content on the web servers using the FileZilla. The networking. So we also go a bit hardware. So we also introduce you to a bit some information, highlights about networking, and by we walk you through how to terminate an RJ45, the network cable. We will walk you through how to do it and how to make sure you're able to network some one or two computers using some switches and other tools. So these are the these are the main blocks of face of the channel, main blocks. So what are the prerequisite materials that you'll be needing? So all you need is you need a computer device, that's a laptop or a desktop, and you need internet. text editors, either Notepad++ or PHP store. You need the local servers, either XAMPP or WAMP. You need the draw.io. This tool helps you in the designs, in the design phases. So you need this software too. Then you need A4Ms. You know, the first point, the first and second stage of the SDLT is the idea and the planning phase. And when you get to those phases, you need to, conceptualize it on paper. You need to put them on paper first before you think of designing them, using the tools, using the draw.io tools or something like that, or Visio to, make the diagram readable to everybody. You get it. So you need A4Ms. Now, and I buy a lot of them. You need A4Ms. Finally, you need a dedicated time. If you don't have time, this channel wouldn't be of any good use for you. You have a dedicated time. At least if for a day or for every weekend you have time for this channel, then you go through our videos and try to practice along. And yeah, so you need dedicated time for it. So these tools, these prerequisite materials will be made available on our website, and the links will be shared on the description box as I have explained, talked about earlier. So basically, these are the things that you need. This brings us to the end of this section. Thank you for your time once again, and we hope to see you in the next video.